Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Phemex, the ultimate platform for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into everything you need to know about navigating Phemex and maximizing its features. First, visit Phemex's website, where you'll be greeted by a clean, intuitive interface. Phemex offers a robust platform for spot trading with zero fees, a rarity in the crypto world. Their derivatives trading section is well equipped, offering leverage options for advanced traders who seek high returns on strategic investments. To start, simply create an account. Phemex ensures a smooth registration process, and with my link in the description, new users get an exclusive bonus. Once your account is set up, explore the dashboard where you can access trading pairs, track market movements, and make trades instantly. The platform prioritizes user security with multiple authentication layers and cold wallet storage for assets. For those interested in passive income, Phemex offers flexible crypto earning programs. Transfer your crypto assets into the Earn feature, where you can enjoy daily accruals with competitive rates. This is a great way to let your crypto grow while you focus on trading or other activities. As you use the platform, you'll appreciate the advanced charting tools and analytics that help you make informed decisions. Phemex also provides educational resources for beginners, making it ideal for all levels of traders. Before we proceed, here's a quick note from our sponsor. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, let's dive deeper into Phemex's features. If you're a fan of automation, their API integration allows developers to build customized trading strategies. The customer support is stellar, with 24/7 live chat assistance to ensure a seamless experience. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of Phemex's promotions, such as trading contests and referral rewards. The more you engage, the more you earn. Don't miss the chance to explore this versatile platform. Click the link in the description to get started with Phemex and claim your new user bonus. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to support more crypto content like this.